Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to look at using the insert function on the formulas tab of the ribbon. So when you click on this, you can search up any kind of Excel formula or function that you need to do something with. You can put in a brief description of what you want to do with it, and it should bring up what you're looking for. For example, if we want to use the sum formula, you can put an add, hit enter or click go. It'll put in sum. If also comes in handy if you know what formula you need but still don't remember kind of how it works. You can go here. So for example, if we're doing a VLOOKUP, gives you a summary of what it does down here, the elements of that formula, and if you click on it, it explains what it does. So your lookup value, this is what that is, what it does, and as you switch through each one, it shows you and tells you what it does. Now it's important to remember that any part of the formula that is in bold is required to complete that formula. Anything that's not, it's not necessarily needed. And also as you go into each one of these, you can click, choose your data, hit enter, and move on to the next piece. Now whenever you do that, it'll give you a summary over here of what you've chosen. And once you're finished, you hit OK, and it'll run your formula for you. Alright, if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message on my channel. Be sure to like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.